Naples, located in the Campania region of southern Italy, is a bustling metropolis with a rich history and culture. As the third largest city in Italy, Naples is known for its vibrant atmosphere, delicious cuisine, and stunning natural beauty. Founded by the Greeks in the 6th century BC, Naples has been a significant city for millennia. Over the centuries, it has been ruled by various civilizations, including the Romans, Byzantines, and Spaniards, each leaving their mark on the city's architecture and culture. Naples is famous for its delicious cuisine, particularly pizza. The city is considered the birthplace of pizza, and Neapolitan pizza is recognized worldwide for its simplicity and flavor. Other local specialties include seafood, pasta, and pastries. Naples is a city that lives and breathes music, art, and culture. The city is home to several world-class opera houses and theaters, as well as numerous museums and galleries. Naples is also known for its lively street life, where you can enjoy street performers, markets, and festivals. In summary, Naples is a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, art, food, or simply soaking up the local atmosphere, Naples is sure to leave a lasting impression. Now I will introduce Naples to you. We will visit this city together. Maybe we can even go to the islands. Palazzo Don'Anna is a magnificent building showcasing the Baroque style. One of its most striking features is its location partially over the sea, with caves opening into the water. This unique feature, along with its mysterious history, has made the palace a popular tourist destination. Palazzo Don'Anna is a historic residence located on the Posillipo coast of Naples, Italy. Situated just west of the Mergellina boat harbor, this palace stands out prominently on the waterfront. The building is located on the site of the so-called Rocks of the Siren and was originally called La Villa Sirena. Built in the 17th century, the palace was named after Ana Carafa, the wife of the Spanish viceroy of Naples at the time. Legend has it that Ana Carafa had a secret affair with a young sailor and met him at this palace. This forbidden love has added a romantic air to the palace's history. The palace remains unfinished, which has led to much speculation. Some say construction was halted upon Ana Carafa's death, while others believe it was intentionally left incomplete to preserve the unobstructed sea view. You are currently looking down on the city from the walls of Castel Sant'Elmo. Castel Sant'Elmo is a medieval castle located on the Vomero Hill in Naples, Italy, right next to the Certosa di San Martino monastery. Overlooking the city, this historic structure is notable for both its military significance and architectural beauty. Construction of the castle began in 1325 and was completed in 1343. However, it underwent various additions and restorations in subsequent years. Its name derives from the 10th century church of Sant'Erasmo that once stood on the site. Over time, Sant'Erasmo was shortened to Sant'Elmo. Castel Sant'Elmo was built to protect Naples from attacks by sea and land. It played a crucial role in numerous wars and sieges throughout the centuries. It was particularly important as a military base during the Aragonese period. The castle exhibits typical features of medieval architecture. It has a quadrangular plan, thick walls, and tall towers. Its interior is complex, with courtyards, staircases, and underground passages. Some rooms offer visitors a glimpse into the living conditions of the time. Today, Castel Sant'Elmo serves as a museum. It hosts exhibitions showcasing the history and culture of Naples. Visitors can also enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Bay of Naples from the castle. Castel Sant'Elmo is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Naples. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply enjoying stunning views, the castle has something to offer. Piazza Garibaldi is one of the largest and busiest squares in Naples. Located right in front of Napoli Central, the city's main train station, it is a crucial meeting point for both locals and tourists. The square is named after Giuseppe Garibaldi, a significant figure in the unification of Italy. The square is surrounded by many historical buildings, museums, and churches. These include the National Archaeological Museum of Naples, the San Carlo Theater, and Castel Nuovo. Especially on weekends and evenings, the square is quite lively. Street performers, musicians, and various events add to the vibrant atmosphere. Castel Nuovo, often referred to as Mascio Angioino, is a magnificent medieval castle located in the heart of Naples, right in front of Piazza Municipio. As a significant part of the city's historical and cultural heritage, this castle is notable for both its architectural beauty and the events it has witnessed. It was built in the 13th century during the Angevin dynasty. Construction began in 1279 and was completed in 1282 due to its location at the crossroads of sea and land routes. It was ideally situated to protect Naples. Today, it serves as a museum, offering visitors the opportunity to explore Naples' history and culture. It showcases the influence of Gothic architecture with its strong and imposing structure. It features thick walls and tall towers to protect against enemy attacks. The magnificent triumphal arch at the entrance of the castle was built during the Aragonese period. It has a complex structure with inner courtyards, rooms, and underground passages. Castel Nuovo is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Naples. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply enjoying stunning views, this castle is the perfect place for you. Piazza del Plebiscito is one of the largest and most magnificent squares in Naples. Located in the heart of the city, this square is remarkable for both its historical significance and architectural beauty. The square's name comes from the plebiscite of 1860, when the people of Naples voted to join the Kingdom of Italy. It was constructed in the 18th century by King Joachim Murat of Naples. The square became the center of Naples' social and political life during that time. The square blends seamlessly with the historical buildings surrounding it. It is a significant place that bears witness to Naples' history. The architectural style of the surrounding buildings creates a captivating atmosphere. It hosts concerts, festivals, and other events. You can enjoy breathtaking views of the Bay of Naples and the city from the square. Surrounding attractions: 1. Palazzo Reale, the former palace of the kings of Naples. 2. Basilica of San Francesco di Paola, a magnificent church with 2 large columns. 3. Prefecture and Salerno Palace, symmetrical buildings on either side of the square. Piazza del Plebiscito is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Naples. It offers an unforgettable experience with its rich history, architectural beauty, and vibrant atmosphere. Galleria Umberto I is not only one of the most popular shopping centers in Naples, but also a significant contribution to the city's architectural fabric. Built in the late 19th century, the Galleria has become a symbol of Naples' rebirth. It was constructed between 1887 and 1891, built shortly after the unification of Italy. This structure played a significant role in the country's reconstruction process. The Galleria has 4 wings, one of which opens onto Via Toledo, one of the city's main thoroughfares. The Galleria has become the center of Naples' social life. Both locals and tourists come here to shop, eat, and meet. You can find a wide variety of shops, from luxury brands to local products. Enjoy delicious Italian cuisine at numerous restaurants and cafes. It occasionally hosts art exhibitions and cultural events. Sorrento is a charming coastal town located on the Sorrentine Peninsula, north of the Bay of Naples in the Campania region of Italy. Often referred to as the jewel of the Amalfi Coast, Sorrento captivates visitors with its rich history, natural beauty, and authentic Italian lifestyle. Famous for its lemon production, offering delightful strolls through lemon groves. Boasts ancient Roman ruins and narrow historical streets reflecting its rich past. Offers breathtaking views of the Bay of Naples and Mount Vesuvius. Serves as an ideal starting point for exploring the Amalfi Coast. Take a stroll through the lemon groves and enjoy the natural beauty. Explore the Bay of Naples and nearby coves on a boat trip. Find local products and handicrafts at the various shops. Indulge in fresh seafood and other local delicacies. Must-see places: Piazza Tasso, the central square of Sorrento, bustling with restaurants and cafes. Museo Correale di Terranova, a museum showcasing Baroque and Rococo art. Villa Comunale, a seaside park perfect for relaxation and enjoying the views. Settle Dominova, an ancient Roman structure. Duomo di Sorrento, an impressive cathedral combining Gothic and Baroque architecture for magnificent views. Mita, a town in general that offers panoramic views of the Gulf of Naples. Positano, a world-famous town on the Amalfi Coast, famous for its colorful houses and impressive depths. These 2 towns will offer you beautiful views. How to get there? The nearest airport to Sorrento is Naples International Airport. From the airport, you can take a train, bus, or taxi to Sorrento. You can also reach Sorrento by train from Rome or other Italian cities. Sorrento is an unforgettable holiday destination in Italy. Its rich history, natural beauty, and warm atmosphere will leave you enchanted. Nestled in the heart of Naples, the Santa Chiara Monastery stands as a testament to the city's rich history and artistic heritage. Founded in the 14th century, this magnificent complex has served as a religious center, royal burial site, and cultural hub. The monastery has deep royal connections, serving as the final traditional resting place for several Neapolitan kings. For centuries, it was a prominent religious center, playing a pivotal role in the spiritual life of the city. Built in the Gothic style, the monastery's original structure showcases the architectural trends of its time. The 18th century Majolica tiled cloister is undoubtedly the monastery's most iconic feature. Designed by Domenico Antonio Vaccaro, these intricate tiles depict vibrant floral motifs and geometric patterns, creating a visually stunning and serene ambiance. Over time, the monastery's architecture evolved, incorporating elements of the Baroque style, adding a touch of opulence and grandeur. Why should you come here? Delve into the rich history of Naples and gain insights into the lives of its royal inhabitants. Be mesmerized by the exquisite Majolica tiles and other artistic masterpieces. Enjoy a variety of cultural events and exhibitions held within the monastery's walls. Find solace in the peaceful atmosphere of the cloisters, a perfect escape from the bustling city. Discover the lost city of Pompeii. Step back in time and explore the ancient Roman city of Pompeii. Frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79, this extraordinary archaeological site offers a glimpse into the daily lives of Romans. Over 2,000 years ago, Pompeii is a city buried in time. Once a bustling commercial center, Pompeii was suddenly buried under volcanic ash, preserving it in remarkable detail. From grand villas to humble homes, from bustling markets to tranquil gardens, everything from daily life has been captured, providing an unparalleled window into the Roman world. Why visit Pompeii? Walk in the footsteps of ancient Romans and explore their homes, shops, and public spaces. Admire the stunning frescoes, mosaics, and sculptures that adorn the city's buildings. Imagine the hustle and bustle of daily life in a thriving Roman city. Beyond the historical facts, Pompeii has also been shrouded in a veil of mystery and legend. For centuries, people have told tales of curses, hidden treasures, and ghostly encounters within the ruins of this ancient city. One common myth suggests that the people of Pompeii were instantly turned to stone by the volcanic eruption, while the casts of bodies found in the ash are incredibly lifelike. They were formed over time as the volcanic material filled the spaces left behind by decaying bodies. Some believe that a curse hangs over Pompeii, bringing misfortune to those who study or explore the ruins. This belief may have arisen from the dramatic nature of the city's destruction and the tragic fate of its inhabitants. Legends of hidden treasures such as gold, silver, and jewels have fueled the imaginations of treasure hunters for centuries. Many believe that the spirits of Pompeii's inhabitants still roam the ruins, and there are numerous tales of ghostly sightings and unexplained phenomena. Why do these legends persist? The dramatic nature of Pompeii's destruction, combined with the mysterious and macabre nature of the archaeological discoveries, has created a fertile ground for legends and folklore. While these tales may be entertaining, it's important to remember that the true story of Pompeii is grounded in historical fact. The eruption of Vesuvius was a catastrophic event that preserved a moment in time, offering us a unique glimpse into the lives of ancient Romans. The place where you see this unique beauty is the island of Capri. Discover the magic of Capri. Escape to the enchanting island of Capri, a Mediterranean paradise known for its stunning beauty, rich history, and luxurious lifestyle. With its crystal clear waters, dramatic cliffs, and charming towns, Capri has captivated visitors for centuries. Capri has been inhabited since ancient times and is mentioned in Greek mythology as the home of sirens. Roman emperors, particularly Tiberius, were fond of the island and built luxurious villas there. The 19th century marked a resurgence in Capri's popularity, attracting artists, writers, and the European aristocracy. Explore the iconic Blue Grotto, marvel at the Faraglioni rock formations, and hike through lush Mediterranean landscapes. Walk in the footsteps of Roman emperors and discover the island's ancient past. Indulge in fine dining, explore high-end boutiques, and relax on pristine beaches. Discover the charm of Anna Capri, a quieter town with breathtaking views. Augustus Gardens, located on the site of Tiberius's Roman villa, these gardens offer breathtaking views of the island. Marina Grande and Marina Piccola, the main harbors of Capri, offering a lively atmosphere, shops, and restaurants. If you come here, explore the island's hidden coves and caves by boat. Hike through the island's scenic trails. Discover the underwater world of Capri. Indulge in fresh seafood and local cuisine. Thank you very much for listening and watching me until here. Don't forget to like and share.